Hello guys, I'm Adrian and welcome to my YouTube channel Dropshipping Suppliers Hub. In this video, I'm going to present you 5 wholesale suppliers that you can use in your business. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this video. Maybe you'll find the right suppliers that you are looking for. I'm going to start with the first wholesale supplier, which is alldayshirts.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out. This all-day shirts wholesale suppliers sells from t-shirts, hats, and much more, blazers, and so on. Let's take a look to see what exactly they offer and which products you can buy from them. Let's go to the fabrics. You can see v-necks, streetwear, tank tops, baby toddler, long sleeve t-shirt, crew necks, crops, and much more. You can choose 100% cotton, 100% polyester, soft t-shirts, fashion t-shirt, and much more. They are from US, and you can see their top-selling brands, Bella Plus Canvas, Gildan, Richardson, and so on. The popular products they sell, you can see it here, and the price. Let's click on, okay, let's take a look. So you get free shipping on all the orders that are 55 plus, but you need to have this option, add cheap. We will talk about it later. So the first t-shirt starts from $255, sorry. The color one is $345. And you see exactly what you get. Free shipping if you order for more than $25, fast production time, in-house printing with quality control, and so on. Unlimited colors. And if you want to have artwork on it, so you can upload your image here. So you can see here you get 0.035 per square inch. So it will add extra payment for that. You can read about it here, about the product. Let's go down. Let's go a little bit about them. So you can see exactly what they sell and a few details about it. So if you have a business that their main niche is t-shirt and this kind of apparel, then you can contact them. Access the link in the description of this video. Let's go to Ads Plus membership. So you can become an Ads Plus membership today, starting just $29 per year, which is cheap, and you have some advantages. You get off from the price 0.03 off every item in every order you place. Free fast shipping, free enhanced product protection on all orders, 1.5% add cash on all orders, priority support, and much more. So you can read about the advantages of being a member. If you have a big business, I advise you to do that. You can see when you become an ads member, you get access to a suite of exclusive benefits on every order. So you can see here exactly. You have here the frequent asked question and so on. Make sure you take a look more in detail than I do. So if it's something that you're looking for, then contact them and set up a meeting by Zoom or Skype, whatever, and see exactly if it fits your niche after you discuss with them. You have here $195 t-shirt. It's very cheap. So if you have also a drop shipping business and you print the t-shirt by your own, you have a machine or you just start up, it is just perfect for you to start doing this wholesale supplier. So this is alldayshirts.com. Let's go now with the second wholesale supplier, Jiffy.com. Low total price, bull discount at $99, free shipping if you order over $59, free returns within 100 days. You can see the products they sell and the prices. So if you are looking for these products, and you can see the categories exactly, we can show it all. And if you are looking for a specific product and you can find it here, then contact them and start having a meeting and set up all the details so you can start earning money. Soft unisex t-shirt, let's go down, tank tops, toddlers, infant shirts. All right, heat transfer vinyl, they have that, hats, and you can see they have a lot of reviews, 6,762, 4.6 rating, which is really, really good. And you can take a look more in details here about that. All right, let's go up to see what else we can find about it. Transfers. You can see the way they work, DTV, UV, and so on. They also sell stickers on Butter's phone and so on. The design, which is very cheap. You can download the digital download the design, and you can resell it if you have your own dropshipping business or wholesale business. The brands that they work with, and much more. And you have Jiffy Hub if you are looking for more details. This is Jiffy.com, another great wholesale supplier. So take a look and compare with the other wholesale suppliers that I already presented on my channel and see if it's exactly the supplier you're looking for. Let's go now with the third supplier, ccactivewear.com, your source for wholesale apparel, top brands, fashionable style, excellent customer service. So you get 80 plus brands, exclusive distributor of Adidas, Weekly, and more. 1 to 2 days delivery, free freight, and orders over $200, marketing resources. Here you can see the brands they work with. You can shop here and you choose the category you're looking for. They have sale here, wholesale, closeout. You can explore trending, what's new, USMA, sustainable styles, and resources. And here you can see exactly what they offer. Business form, country for region, okay, imaginary spec sheets, printing tips, for IT tools. You can custom your website, which is great. And you can take a look on this video how to create a custom website. They can do that on their website, which is great. Let's go back to that. So you have t-shirt tops, sweatshirts, fleece, headwear, bags. Great. You get also marketing resources. You just have to take a look and learn about it. And you can register now. Make sure you read everything here so you'll understand exactly if it's the supplier you're looking for. So this is ssactivewear.com. Let's go now with the fourth supplier, sanmar.com. These are wholesale suppliers that offer apparel. You can see marketing. They also offer you custom website, which you have to do it, the resources, and you have here sales. Let's take a look about the brands they use in their website. I have to let you know that if you want to see the prices, you have to send an inquiry, so they will send the list with the prices of the product you're looking for. So if we go here, let's see, you can see they have here some example of prices, but to be sure that you get the right price, better send them an email with the details you are looking for. Here is saying starting at $39.99. You can see check inventory and pricing, so you need to have a customer account. Let's go back to products, and here you see what exactly they sell on their website. Let's go to marketing. So you get marketing tools, custom website, generic website, design studio, logos, price list, and much more. Make sure you take advantage of checking everything here. I'm not going to go through everything here because it will take a long time. And who knows, maybe it's not this the supplier you are looking for, maybe, but that's why you should take a look and decide on your own if it's the right supplier you are looking for. So let's go a little bit here. You can see sale, outlet, value basics, so on. So this is sunmar.com. Let's go now with the fifth and the last supplier, wholesale supplier, eyecandies.com. Level up your eye contact. Eye candies color contact lenses are the sweet treat your eyes needs, from the hypernatural greens and hazel to dazzling blues and pinks and so on. You can shop color contacts. Right? Eye candies is serving up 100% satisfaction guarantee, free shipping on orders over $65. Right? They have a lot of reviews. Let's go down. Okay, unlock. Let's go a little bit down because we'll find the best information here. Let's go to wholesale because this is what we are looking for. So they offer wholesale and drop shipping. So that's amazing. So they offer competitive wholesale pricing for contact lenses to retailers, distributors around the world. Choose from the top brands they have here. Their minimum order is just 100 units or 50 pairs. Wholesale pricing applies specifically for products on this page or marked wholesale. Minimum and discounts vary by product brands, so please check the product listing for details. So you have to fill the form below to apply for a wholesale account. Approved wholesalers should sign in to place their orders with the discount prices. 100% genuine goods, low minimum order, low pricing, simple ordering over 1,000 products, 4% discount. All right. You can see an example here. Wholesale color contact lenses, some example. All right, let's go down. Yes. You can read about them. So they are the world's premier destination for color contact lenses and eyewear products. Good. You have here more details. Eyewear accessories, clear contacts, lens set, lens quiz, and so on. Good. So this is eyecandies.com, wholesale suppliers that offer you eye lens. This is the fifth and the last supplier. I hope you stay with me until the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, I really appreciate if you hit the like button, and why not, you can hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, Dropshipping Suppliers Hub, and make sure that you check out the rest of the videos that I already posted on my channel, because you'll find really good information and a lot of suppliers. Remember, every video comes with 5 new wholesale or dropshipping or tools that you can use for your business. And if you want to have immediately access to your dropshipping and wholesale supplier list, then you can go on dropshipping suppliershub.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video, and you can grab my ebook. I decided to divide my ebook in 4 different parts with different number of suppliers, so it's up to you which one you decide to get. What is very important to understand that you'll find out what is dropshipping and what exactly means in this ebook, more details than I offer on my channel, the steps you have to follow to have a proper business start, a list of 645 suppliers, marketing tools for your business, frequent asked question about dropshipping. It's very important to understand dropshipping is not easy. Wholesale the same. You have to work out. You will not get rich overnight. This I want to make sure that I tell you, because many people think that you start dropshipping and immediately you have sales. No, you have to work. And I highly recommend to take a look at the resources, because I put all the information that I know together. So what are the best hosting, the best SEO tools, the marketing tools, themes and plugins, best page, website builder, dropshipping with Shopify. So you decide in the end which resources is best and fit your niche. So don't forget to take a look and decide on your own what is exactly the resource you want to use. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified when I'm going to post a new video. As you can see, new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So, but just to make sure you don't forget, hit the bell button. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.